guys, this is Beautiful HR and welcome to my first vlog in a very long time. I hope you enjoy. Is it just me that feels uncomfortable talking to a camera? I just feel like showing these things is just kind of weird. It's part of my life, so I should really be showing you guys what I do every day. So, I am planning to do a gay pride makeup look, and I think it's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna do like a gradient of the rainbow as an eyeshadow on my face, and I'm also gonna wear like angel wings and some like sparkles on my face and stuff. I think that'll be really cool, you know? And my hair is gonna be really curly when it's all dry. That mask I just had on my face is the mask of Magnum-Minty. I've talked about this on Instagram, it's really good. I'm gonna use a toner now. So this is the Breath of Fresh Air toner. Put it on my face like this. And it just helps tighten and brighten your skin. I'm gonna put a moisturizer on after. Now we are going to use my moisturizer. So I just take a little bit like that. I have to make sure my face is dry enough first. And I just put it all over me. Just rub it in. These are the 3 steps I like to wash my face. I like use a scrub, then use a toner, and then use a moisturizer. That's the 3 things. But yeah, here you have it. And we just take this out. Yeah, we're just gonna let my hair air dry. Just had a shower, so yeah. I think I'm gonna do my makeup actually, because I want to take some pictures for Instagram. And guys, I really don't use anything crazy. I just use drugstore products because a girl ain't rich. Yeah, for the longest time I just felt like not worthy of making videos, but then I go on YouTube and I see really crappy content on YouTube sometimes, and I'm like, I could do better than that. But I don't know if that's just me being judgmental or something. This is my knockoff Beauty Blender sponge. And this is the Fit Me foundation. I find it works awesome. This is shade Porcelain 110. But yeah, I just take it and I go here, 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 and here. I just dab it into my face. In the summer, I don't like to go like too much, but just get it like under my eyes and all over my face. Do you guys use concealer first, or do you use foundation and conceal after? That's usually what I do, or else I don't use any concealer at all. I'll just put foundation on and like contour my face. And I always do a bit of my neck as well. If you don't go all the way up to your forehead line, I mean, it's okay, because we're we're gonna contour anyway. But yeah, we just do it everywhere. My neck is one of the places that doesn't get tan like the rest of my body, so I like to make my neck the same as my face. And then I'm gonna take a blush slash bronzer. This is a Hoola bronzer. And we're just gonna, sometimes I like hold it like this so I can get it really in my cheekbone, like in the hollows of my cheeks. And do it on this side as well. If your face is still sort of like dewy or wet when you've done your makeup, I find that the bronzer will look a lot darker or go on more harshly, so you have to really try to blend it out. But I don't really use expensive products. Like, I don't know about other people, but like I don't really shop at Sephora because like, I don't know, there's just products that I pick and choose what I spend my money on. And I don't know, I'm the kind of girl that sort of just sticks to one kind of makeup brand. Like, I don't really buy tons of different eyeshadow kits and stuff. I just kind of like everyday makeup. I was given the James Charles palette for Christmas, so that was cool, and I have one other rainbow palette, but other than that I don't really like go crazy with colors and stuff. Then we're just gonna do an easy like lip, so this is the NYX Lingerie Gloss, the color Euro Trash. Oh, what a name. So yeah, I just take that and then just put it on like so. And we're just gonna do mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. My lashes are pretty like long already, but I find that this really helps define the length of my lashes and thickness of them. I've tried the Better Than Sex mascara and I find that this works like a dupe for that, so just saying. Just like that. Sometimes I'll go over and do a second coat, but not very often. Does anyone else like miss like going to the cottage and camping and stuff in the summer? Because quarantine has really got me inside a lot. But yeah, there you go. That is our everyday makeup routine. So now we're just gonna head into my office. We're gonna clean up some shit, gonna take some pictures, and yeah.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet.
Hey guys, so I'm done cleaning the room, and yeah, now I'm just gonna show you the room. So as you can see, I moved the mirror here. Down in this corner, I have a little DIY I made. This is actually a thing for going in your bathtub. But yeah, I like to use it for backgrounds for taking photos and stuff. Down here I just have some plants, some shoes, a candle. And then on my desk, we have a TV that I use to connect to my computer with an HDMI cord. And then I just have some bullet journal stuff on display. And this stuff I actually found out in the middle of a farmer field. So that's kind of funny because I see people buying this stuff online and I literally just like went outside and picked it myself. This thing I got from IKEA. It's really meant for the washroom, but like I put some of my toiletry stuff in there. Some flowers from the dollar store in a little dollar store pot. This cool rug thing I thrifted. It's like real fur, but I don't know. I got it secondhand, so that was pretty cool. The office is just kind of messy for cords. I don't know where to put my cables or like where to strap them down, so. And over here at my window, we just have a light up mirror and the fake little plant and my Alexa. Then we have my box light. This is a painting of mine behind, and then I just painted a couple backdrops for flat lay pictures. I have this one, and I painted a brown one as well. And then there's like a picture of John Lennon behind that. This is what my ring light came in. You can get it on Amazon. I don't sleep in this room now, but I was sleeping in this room before. And yeah, and this is just a little marble slab. And then we have, this is what it's really supposed to look like. But yeah, so I just have a couple like black bags. And then some purses, more bags, dresses, blazers, all the goods. I also like these velvet hangers. I find that like they really keep everything on them and this clothes doesn't slip off. So yeah, that's really convenient, but yeah. Hey guys, so I just wanted to say thanks for watching my video and subscribe for more content. I'm going to be putting out more vlogs and more videos for you guys to watch, so please hit the notification bell on the right from the subscribe button and it should notify you every time I upload a video. Please follow my Instagram and my Facebook page at BEAUTIFULHR, and yeah, there you go. Linked in the description. So yeah, bye guys, love you.